Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Fill a kettle with 2 cups of fresh water and set the heat. While it warms, measure 1 tablespoon loose tea or prepare 2 tea bags so you don't waste time. Once the kettle approaches the right temperature, about 80 degrees for green, 95 degrees 100 degrees for black, preheat your teapot or 2 mugs by rinsing them with hot water. This keeps the brew in the correct range. Make sure to have a timer and spoon ready for the next step. You now pour the heated water over the tea so leaves or bags are fully submerged. This maximizes extraction and flavor. Once done, start your timer for the correct steep. 1. 5 to 3 minutes for delicate green teas, 3 to 5 minutes for robust black teas. Make sure to cover the pot to retain heat. That keeps volatile aromas in the brew. Stir gently 1 time to saturate all leaves, then let the infusion run its course. This balance prevents astringency and develops body. You finish by removing leaves or straining the tea right when the timer ends. Immediate removal stops extraction and locks in the intended flavor. Then taste and make adjustments. Add milk for creaminess, lemon for brightness, or a teaspoon of honey or sugar to sweeten. Always add gradually and sample as you go. If the tea is bitter, dilute a bit with hot water and reduce the next steep by 30 to 60 seconds. That troubleshooting step,
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.